Hi, I'm Elizabeth Tringali, and I've been to probably 10, maybe 15 XYMOGEN experiences. What I love about them is they bring in like the top speakers, cutting edge science, research, and then they give you take-home protocols that you can use on Monday when you go back to work. The company itself is very altruistic and genuine. They're family owned, and since I have got 2 clinics and we're family owned as well, there's a different type of energy when you are learning from a company that is investing in itself and isn't just about profits, which is how I run my clinic as well. I love that they give us samples to try and they show us the newest research for the newer products. That's nice. And they are always bringing in new people like JJ Virgin today. It's so nice that they're giving us like business ideas, not just clinical pearls, but ideas so you can go home again on Monday and say, you know what, I'm going to start doing more social media, or I'm going to start doing more podcasts, etc. It's a great experience for even an entry-level clinician or someone that's been doing it for a long time. So I think any level of expert or practitioner, nurse, even a medical assistant would still benefit from this conference.